Grab, grab, grab. She grabbed her keys and ran out the door. Glitter, glitter, glitter. The diamonds on her necklace glittered. Grasp, grasp, grasp. He groaned when he realized his mistake. Grant, grant, grant. The mayor refused to grant my request for an interview. Grind, grind, grind. The steel grinds to a sharp edge.
Like, subscribe, comments and share.
Grumble, grumble, grumble. Some of the customers have been grumbling about poor service. Guzzle, guzzle, guzzle. The kids seem to be guzzling soft drinks all day. Gallop, gallop, gallop. The horse galloped toward us. Glare, glare, glare. The sun glared down relentlessly.
Practice makes a man perfect. For more practice of the above verbs, listen the stories. Practice 1.
In the morning, I grab my backpack for school. Mom adds a touch of glitter to my lunchbox. Sometimes, I groan when it's time to wake up. Dad grants me a hug before I leave. At lunch, I grind my pencil to write neatly. I don't grumble about veggies. I eat them all. At the park, I guzzle water after playing. In the evening, my toy horse gallops on the carpet. If my sister glares, I share my toys. Mom grants me a bedtime story before sleep.
Practice 2.
Once upon a time, a little pony named Sparkle wanted to grab a shiny star from the sky. With a gallop, Sparkle reached high, but the star seemed to glitter far away. Determined, Sparkle didn't grumble or groan but continued to grind towards the goal. Suddenly, the star granted a wish, and Sparkle's eyes began to glare with joy. Sparkle learned that with perseverance, even the highest dreams can come true, turning a simple day into a magical adventure.
Practice 3.
Once upon a time, a little seed wanted to grab onto the soil to grow big and strong. As it grew, it noticed the dewdrops would glitter in the morning sun. The wind would sometimes groan gently, making the seed feel cozy. The rain would grant the seed a refreshing drink. In the garden, insects would grind softly, and the seed learned not to grumble but to listen. Birds would guzzle water and gallop around, and the seed would glare at them, feeling a bit jealous. In the end, the garden was a lively, happy place. The end.